guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Grammarly subscription in few seconds. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. Here I'm going to Chrome browser. So in the search bar, just search for grammarly.com. So this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open Grammarly. So now here you need to click on the premium, which is in the left side. Just click on this. So this is the page that comes when you click on the subscription. And so if you are using this app for premium or business dollar, it's $12 or $15. So to cancel this, it's very easy. So here I haven't subscribed it yet, so I'll show you how to cancel it. So just follow the video to cancel it. So I'm just taking a screenshot from other websites. So here it goes like this. So here you will be able to see this platform where you can see subscribe, and in the bottom side you can see cancel subscription in the red line. So just click on this. So now reason will be asked here about why you are canceling it. Choose a reason and your subscription will be cancelled. So in this way you can just cancel your subscription. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.